Are you considering going directly to your bank as opposed to speaking to a broker for finance on a new home? If you are, I'd love to tell you the story of two homeowners. Both of them are business owners. The first had a cafe during COVID, and consequently his income fluctuated enormously. Had periods of being closed down and was relying on JobKeeper and government assistance, and then he had a period of much higher income and great revenue coming out of COVID. So he applied directly through his existing bank. And what he found is that the bank wanted to look at his last 2 years' financials as opposed to the really strong year. And it really limited his borrowing power, and he wasn't able to borrow what he wanted, consequently couldn't buy the home that he'd planned to. And then we move on to our second couple who together owned a gym, and like our cafe owner, really struggled during COVID and was on limited income, but had a great year following that as things returned to normal. Unlike going directly to their bank, they actually sat down with a mortgage broker. And what this mortgage broker was able to do is show them options from over 30 different lenders and able to align their situation of 2 years of great differences in income with a bank who actually just looked at the most recent year, which was the higher one. And what that meant is they were able to get approval for what they needed and able to buy the home that they dreamed about. So if you're considering going just straight to your existing bank or speaking to a broker, I'd love you to think about the fact that a broker is one contact, so you only need to explain your situation once. They also usually provide their service free of charge, so they're remunerated by the banks. And finally, a broker can bring you options. Most brokers have over 30 lenders on their panel. And at Newbridge, we've been in business for over 20 years, so we have intimate knowledge of what different banks look for with different circumstances of borrowers. If you'd like to know more about how much you can borrow, you can jump on our website at mynewbridge.com.au, and there you can book a free appointment to see exactly what your options are.